Want to claim the top spot in search engines? You're not alone. 39% of publishers struggle to drive traffic with just content. Here are 5 SEO tools that you need to try to make the cut. Number 1. Rankmath. Rankmath is known as the Swiss Army knife of SEO. So here is why. Because it offers a lot of features for free. It takes care of technical SEO as well as on-page SEO field. With Rankmath, you get basics like automatic sitemap generation and link attributes. It also monitors 404 errors for you and makes sure that your redirects are in place so that the audience is always engaged. With the paid version, you get a lot more, such as the keyword rank tracker. You can also create sitemaps for videos and images and connections to Google Analytics and Google Trends. Let's look at the pros. Add rich snippets easily. Pre-select optimal settings. Social media optimization, lightweight and quick WordPress plugin. There are 2 cons that you need to keep in mind. Steep learning curve for beginners with a lot of attributes. Compatibility concerns with various WordPress plugins. Number 2. Yoast SEO. You would be familiar with Yoast SEO as a WordPress SEO plugin. It helps you with a lot of things from on-site SEO to actually getting you the right keywords. Yoast can greatly enhance the internet visibility of your website. Yoast SEO, according to a few users, adds code to your websites, which slightly makes your website bloated. Additionally, it also focuses on adding keywords rather than the content itself. Here are 3 advantages with Yoast SEO. It is user-friendly and easily accessible, serves as a proofreader for SEO, prevents your RSS feed from content scrapers. With cons, it doesn't actually comprehend the article that you want to publish, so that becomes slightly tricky. It also increases the amount of advertising on the WordPress backend. Here is what the pricing looks like. Number 3, SEMRush. SEMRush is a powerful SaaS platform that helps you with keyword research and helping you rank better. It covers things like cost per click and traffic. It pulls in data from Google and Bing to give you a better idea of what's happening online. SEMRush provides a full suite for bloggers, for publishers in general, for SEO specialists, marketers, and a lot more. It helps you rank organically and rank for the specific keywords. It also lets you do a competitive analysis to see where your competitors are ranking and for what keywords specifically. With its SEO writing assisting tool, you can fine-tune your content and start ranking for the specific 10 target keywords that you want to focus on. Here are 4 pros for SEMRush: keyword research, site audits, competitive analysis, and backlink audits. SEMRush provides data only for Google. Few competitive analysis features actually cost you an additional $200 to get it done. The site is difficult to actually manage and use on mobiles. Here's what the pricing looks like for SEMRush. Up next, we have Monster Insights. Monster Insights is one of the top SEO plugins on WordPress. It also helps you easily connect Google Analytics and provides user-friendly dashboards on your website and provides user-friendly reports that you can look right from the dashboard. With Monster Insights, you can easily identify where the traffic is coming from, what content is ranking, and how you can fine-tune it to make it look better. You can also see what actions user takes on your website and make changes accordingly. It also lets you track e-commerce SEO in case as a publisher if you're selling some merchandise as well, because this is one of the trends that's going on. You can easily see what things are being purchased by a reader. It shows you products that are popular and products that are not being sold at all. Here are 3 pros that you should definitely know. It becomes easier to connect Google Analytics and get really good reports. Advanced tracking to understand your audience better. It also helps you in increasing your traffic to the website. There are 2 cons that you need to keep in mind. It has limited features in the free version. Number 2, it's slightly costly. Here is the pricing for Monster Insights. Up next, we have Ahrefs. Ahrefs helps you with on-site SEO and make sure that you can rank better on Google search. Ahrefs helps you optimize your website so that you can rank better on search engines. Ahrefs works by crawling search engines and websites to gather data. With its user-friendly interface, you can see what users are searching online, what is the content that interests them, what gets more clicks, and how you can tune your traffic as well. It helps you create content that drives traffic and also gives you opportunities for link building as well. It also allows you to optimize technical aspects of your website and boost your rankings on search engines. Ahrefs is an all-in-one SEO tool that helps with competitor research, keyword research, website audits, and a lot more. Its extensive database helps you get relevant data on your users. Here are the pros. Excellent UI and UX. Amazing site audit features. It deep dives on specific keywords so that you can maximize on it and create more content. Here are the cons. It has poor rank tracking, limited PPC features. Sometimes it provides irrelevant keyword suggestions. Here's what the pricing looks like for Ahrefs. These are the 5 SEO tools that you should try. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.